Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome back to my channel where we make healthy living an easy part of your lifestyle by making simple swaps, recipes, and all things for both you and your family. So today we are going to do an unboxing of Thrive Market. I absolutely love Thrive Market because not only is it health-minded ingredients, but they organize everything so simply. So whether you're gluten-free, dairy-free, looking for snacks, looking for sweets, they have some of absolutely everything, and they have some of the most amazing deals right now for Black Friday. But no matter when you watch this, I'm sure they'll still have great deals. If you use my code, it'll save you money. It's a really cheap membership if you think about it. For the amount of money that you save, you can put stuff on auto ship. So it's basically like a healthier Amazon or Whole Foods or whatever that you order. So let's just get into the box and see what we have. So these are kind of snack ideas that you might have for the holiday season. With my kids home for a week, I have 4. We go through lots of snacks, and I wanted to just make some fun holiday type treats. So we are gonna start with Lesser Evil Popcorn. I absolutely love this brand. White chocolate marshmallow. I haven't tried it, but it sounds delicious. And it is dairy free. And there's 4 grams of sugar per serving. So it's not really a ton. I mean, it is a sweeter treat. Coconut flour. I love cooking with coconut flour. It just makes it really light and airy. So you don't only want to use this if you're making muffins or something, but you can. These are organic dark chocolate covered espresso beans. I love myself some espresso beans. And with dark chocolate and very few minimal ingredients is what you want. Always buy your coffee organic, so the fact that these are organic is a plus. Next up are these little fruit circles by Thrive Market. They're basically like fruit snacks, fruit strips. They were on sale, and so I decided to try them. But they are organic, which I love. They have 9 grams of sugar, but it's all natural sugar. There's nothing added. It's just fruit purees and whatnot. So let's see what these look like. Oh, these are fun. So my kids were actually asking for something similar, like fruit by the foot the other day, and I was like, there is 0 chance I'm going to give you fruit by the foot, but I would definitely get these. So I do have some little kids watching, so. All right, and then next, JoJo's. I've been a fan of JoJo's for a really long time. I actually worked with them years ago, and this is one I have not tried. So this is new with the coconut on the inside. It sounds delicious. Well, new to me. I mean, I'm not saying how new it is. There is 3 grams of protein per serving, which is fantastic. 6 grams of sugar, so it's not a ton. Just a nice little sweet treat. I also bought 4 Sigmatic organic coffee. I don't remember buying this, actually, but I do like 4 Sigmatic, so I'm fine with it. I will eat it. Are those good? I bought this. So finding recipes that have like swabs for gluten-free isn't always the easiest thing. So when I found this orzo pasta to make a grain salad is great. This would be great for stuffing actually for Thanksgiving. And then creamy tahini. I love myself some hummus, but so many of the hummuses have weird additives and stuff. So I am going to make my own with this. Again, this is also Thrive Market brand. And the Good Company. You can hear my kids love these. Usually I buy the bigger one, but I love that these are the little snack size so they can each have their own. I'm gonna call it more of a treat. It's not something that we eat in the house, but like on the go. We are always on the go. So this is gonna be great. And then organic cocoa truffles. This sounds absolutely divine. There is 9 grams of sugar for 4 truffles. So that, again, not bad at all. Very minimal ingredients here. Decadent. Can't wait to try those. Let's see what else. Maca powder. I'm a big fan of maca. I put it in my coffee. I put it in my smoothies. I put it on my oatmeal. It helps with hormones. It's an adaptogen. There's so many different reasons to take maca daily, but you just need a tiny bit. And it's a good caramel note. Like you can add it to stuff and it gives like a butterscotch caramelish type taste. And then sprouted nut trail mix. So sprouted nuts are more easily digestible than regular nuts. And again, sounds delicious. Cherries, chocolate, cranberries. This would be good even to put on a salad, like a fun fall type salad with some roasted squash. And then there's 2 glass things in here. So let's see what else I got. I love, again, that you can put it on auto ship. It ships quickly to you, right to your door. You don't actually have to go anywhere. And there's lots of different things that you can try. And they have tons of sales too. So you can constantly try new things and get it cheaper than you would at the regular grocery store. So this queso is so good. I love making homemade nachos. I never buy nachos anywhere because, of course, the cheese is crap and it's not vegan and I don't eat dairy, but this stuff is really good. It has a slight peppery taste and it's so good on nachos. Add some black beans, salsa, whatever kind of protein you like. I really like the Abbott protein I'll put on there. And then like Cassava chips, all of it, so good. Oh, and guac, cannot forget the guac. Okay, finally, pistachio barista. This sounds amazing. So 8 fluid ounces, 7 grams of sugar. So of course there is a little bit of sugar in here. Also has rice, but this sounds like it will make a really great coffee drink, especially for the holidays. You can go to Starbucks and get a pistachio latte, and I don't know, not only do you spend like $8, but it's also filled with sugar. So this is a great alternative. And that's it. That is our Thrive Market haul for today. Nice cute box, lots of great things, and I barely spent anything on this. I would spend way more at the regular grocery store, and I didn't have to go anywhere. It came straight to the house. So if you haven't tried the Thrive Market, make sure you check out my link and code below so you can save too, and then let me know what your favorite item is because I may want to try it too.